else it's open? This one. Surprise. New unicorn. Thing. Mystery surprises. First thing. See. 27 magical unicorn stickers. See what stickers they are. Which looks really cool. It's just like Looper stickers. I'm gonna put that back in. So like I can pull them out. Not sure. So what's this? Pencil case. Anything in it? No. It's empty. That's really nice pencil case. Really cute too. No. There's a Angry Birds hatchling surprise pack. We're going to open that. Happy Hamster Body. I'm so excited to solve Buddy Pop. Hamster, amazing. One more thing. Scrunchie or hair scarf. So, I'm going to open this actually. Oh, you have to build it. So far it's pink. Would it be full? Just look. This pink one. Oh, that's cute. Oh, and then this bit's squishy. And cute. I think you have to like put it in like that. I'm not sure. I think that's what I meant to do. Pink one. Very cute. See what it's called. It's called Zoe. Cute. Remove this aside. Now we're going to open this one. This one has 7. And that one has 5. At least it's not the squishmallow bit. trying to pull this off camera. No. Here it goes. You rip the actual magazine in half. Just rip the magazine. Is it that important? I need backpack here. Sticks out there. Okay, was a bit long, but whatever. Let's open this. Let's open it. Thing number one. It's more notebooks. It's cute. It's like, I really like that. Very cool. Next one. I've got some gaming stickers. Cute. Oh. It's a little paper clip. Arrow paper clip. Next. It's a little pencil. Nintendo Switch rubber. Gaming control. I think that's what it's called. Rubber. Should be one more thing. Oh, there's two more things. A lava paper clip and more planet paper clip. Now this one, stuff about star signs. I'm going to tell you about them. This book. So, if you're Aquarius, your colour is blue. Your gemstone is amethyst. You're a dreamer and love reaching for the stars. Don't forget to come back to the earth sometimes. Pisces, colour is light green. Gemstone, aquamarine. Fun is your middle name, and you love making your friends laugh. Aries, which is me. Colour is red. Your gemstone is a diamond. You try your best at all you do. Don't let any bumps in the road stop you from achieving your dreams. Taurus, colour green. Gemstone emerald. You're a brilliant friend who makes sure everyone around you feels loved. Gemini, colour yellow. Gemstone pearl. You have lots of talents from sports to art. Always remember that good things come to those who wait. Cancer, colour white and silver. Gemstone ruby. You love school and your friends, but sometimes you like some quiet time alone. Leo, colour is gold. Gemstone is peridot. Leos like making friends and taking centre stage. Don't forget to let others shine too. Virgo, colour is green and brown. Gemstone is sapphire. You take pride in everything you do, but remember to have confidence in yourself. Libra, colour is pink and blue. Your gemstone opal. You're kind and caring and are always there to cheer your mates up. Scorpio colour black, gemstone, topaz. You're a bit of a mystery to your friends, but you are full of passion and kindness. Sagittarius colour purple, gemstone, tanzanite. The life and soul of the party, you make every occasion fun. Then it is Capricorn. The colour is brown and grey. Your gemstone is garnet. A real achiever. Top of the class and always like to win. Don't forget to have fun too. So if you don't know where you are, Aquarius is 20th of January to the 18th of February. Pisces is the 19th of February to the 20th of March. Aries is the 21st of March to 19th of April. Taurus is the 20th of April to 20th of May. Gemini 21st of May to 20th of June. Cancer 21st of June to 22nd of July. Leo 23rd of July to 22nd of August. Virgo 23rd of August to 22nd of September. Libra 23rd of September and 22nd of October. Scorpio 21st of October to 21st of November. Sagittarius 22nd of November to 21st of December. Capricorn 22nd of December, 19th of Jan. And that's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye. Wait, I just realised. What was it? Wow. Let's find it. Wait, let's find it. Wait, which Squishmallow is your favourite of these ones? Cam, the cat. Actually, I don't know what all of them are, so Cam, Winston, Lola, Hans, Fifi, Archie, Sonny, Henley, Prince, Dawn, Kevin, Daxon, Sophia, Leslie, Carmelita, Floyd, Scarlett, Sheldon, Odile, and Bernardo. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye.